Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with the G1 engraved slider here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella. But hey, don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you're enjoying this kind of stuff, and I'll be keeping cranking out these videos because it's fun. This is pretty nice toy, guys. Look at this stainless steel engraved slider. It has some magnets over here to hold these two parts together. Let's quickly check the size on this little fella. 1.11 inches for the width, 1.97 inches for the height, and 0.39 for the thickness. So pretty much, I would say, comparable to this beauty right over here. That's the Chi in Mokutai bulletproof shield from One Woo Studio, Maki capsule, and that's the capsule. This is the CP2 and this is the CP3, and just for reference, why not, that's the CP1 slider. And then another couple slider I want to show you here. I've got the compo form, I've got this armor shield, really nice, and just the last couple of sliders in Zirk. We've got the Tom EDC Mahjong and the BTMCL. This is the Gamer Pro, so pretty cool sliders in the house we got. But this fella is very simply made, stainless steel. If you want something relatively cheap, that might be your boy, because it's relatively cheap compared to those guys. Looks good. Look at this engraved floral pattern on both sides. You can see like that. You've got 6 magnets in the center, and you got a nice power of attraction from these neodymium magnets right over here, which are creating some pretty nice to the touch experience, I have to say. This guy is smooth, it's nicely done, very simple construction, just like 2 bars of I don't know if it's bent or milled out. Probably it's milled out from a chunk of steel. 3 holes, some glue, some magnets, and boom, you're done. You got this very interesting slider. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states because of the 3 magnets. So you can have something very like smooth, like if you can hear the sound, so not really loud. Or you can have like the classic not that, oops, not that, that's loud, but yeah, like this, a little bit more loud sound, but nothing comparable, for example, to this guy over here, like where it just clicks much more loudly than this one. So this is, yeah, it's more damp and more unobtrusive and more inconspicuous if you want to play with this with other people around. And you have a nice texture created by the engraving, which is not making the toy too much slippery, so it's pretty much good to go. But you have only like one side. I mean, it can just, you see, it just goes like that, but right here it tends to fall off. It's not like for example, made like this guy in 2 rows, so you have like a traction on the side, in the center, and on the other side you only have the central line, but it's fine because it's steel, so it just stays together. It's very interesting. The traction is quite strong. You can basically only use it like that because of the conformations of your finger. I mean, you can still do like this with 2, but yeah, I find it much more easy to use it like that, because you keep it like that and just push with the thumb. So that's pretty interesting. Very simple toy, nice and elegant, unobtrusive sound, looks pretty simple. If you are on a budget, that might be the solution. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.